In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to hit apps here. Then choose app twin and use gray switcher next to any app you wish to clone. Following that, go back. So now when I check, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. If you want to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and use no blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!